Actually, this is called a Viso machine. And it's first in the Philippines. So, ito yung steaming niya, milk steaming.
Okay.
Semi-automatic machine siya.
Okay.
The difference of this between Normastrana and other brewer is yung pag-brew niya ng coffee, pag-extract niya ng coffee is pataas. Okay. Premium coffee. So, ayan po, tingnan niyo dito. And also one of the differences, yung decopper yun dito, you can also choose any of the beans you want. So, we have micro blend and Indonesia. Ito po yung steamer, also choose yung temperature. We have extra hot, then yung normal temperature niya, and then warm. And meron din siya mga buttons for if you want it low foam, light foam for the latte.
Okay, so dyan na siya nagpo-foam.
Yes, dito na rin po. Meron siya kung gusto nyo cappuccino talaga, meron din naman. And also, yung rinser niya is nandito na rin. First nito is sa Korea, yung unang kagamit ng Oriso machine. So today I'll be making a reserve shaker rattle bianco.
Okay.
So it consists of, since the grande size consists of 4 shots of espresso. And of course yung ice. And then the vanilla sweet cream milk. Vanilla bean sweet cream.
Curious ako dun sa machine nyo eh. I mean, yeah.
Saan pa po kayo galing?
Bulacan.
Bulacan. This one is the coolest part.
Sige.
Kaya po siya nga tabiakan. Kaya paano yung mga intense coffee flavors na with a little bit of cream. So this one is perfect. Shaker out to biakan.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, viewers. This is